I would have no inkling of how precious life can be. And I'm so grateful to you. I'd have lived my whole life through, lost forever, if I never knew you.
Gather your crew and cozy up for a magical escape. We've got a super awesome Disney Channel family movie.
I am Baymax. You'll be all right. There.
High tech
Hey, what's wrong with you? Low battery.
meets true friendship.
It's like spooning a warm marshmallow.
Oh, come on, go, 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 go!
In Big Hero 6, coming up next on Disney Channel. This is a general audience movie.